Ever wondered how a speaker turns electricity into sound? Let's dive into it. Electric current flows into a coil of wire. That coil sits inside a powerful magnet. When the current changes, magnetic forces push and pull the coil. The coil is attached to the speaker cone. So the cone moves forward and backward. That motion pushes the air. Moving air creates pressure waves. Your ears detect those waves as sound. Big movements make bass. Fast movements make treble. Electricity becomes motion. Motion becomes sound. Simple things. Deep science. Top G of knowledge.
Like and subscribe for more Top G knowledge coming your way.